After I joined, it, the first time my first income is $100. It says $1 million, and then I got the big income is on the March, because this is a big money for me that time. After lockdown is $7,000. It means 70 juta. It's a big money for me that time. And then after that, I joined and I see the big chance in IFC. I have eager to help more people, to be a healthy person, also get extra income, and then bless a lot of people. Okay, this is about me. I don't want to talk much because time is much. So we have two hours there, and then I will. I know him from the first time I met him until last week, yeah, Kuyanes, yeah, back from Bengkalis, Pekanbaru. I shocked when he asked me, Shane, I want to join with you to take the bus to Pekanbaru. Huh? But this is a good experience for me, because as a good coach, as a good mentor, he always be there for us, for my team in Pekanbaru. So let's guys, we applaud him, Mr. Johannes Chie.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you, Chi Junxian, for the opening, and then hello to everybody. If you doesn't know me, uh, let me introduce myself. This is my picture and also available for information for me. My name is Johannes Chi. I'm living at Tangerang, is in close to Jakarta in Indonesia. I am also founder for my own company. Is a Vision Integrasi Pratama, which is our company doing import for spatial spare part server for data center, which is a IT business. I support for supply the branded products like HP, IBM, Fuji, Quantum around to Indonesia. But today, I doesn't want to make you business with me for IT. This is a different. But in this picture, I want to share to you about the situation. If you watching the movie previously, it's a funny movie, funny song. Yeah, he want to be rich. I'm also. I want to rich. I want to be rich. I don't know about you. Hopefully, yes. If you attend this meeting, I think you are interesting with my flyer. Okay. Why? Billionaire is talk about money. Our living is not only for money, but until now, I understand your living costs cannot pay with maybe papaya, cannot pay with bananas, right? You have to pay everything with money. Okay, that's why I learned from success people how to be rich. Why I want to be rich? I need uh, to make sure you have also big why. If you want to reach why, you have to find out why you have uh, dream to be rich. For me, because a long time ago, I live in poor condition. I live in poor condition, and then for eat some food also I cannot do because my parents is not rich people. Okay, and then I live in apa ya, panti asuhan tuh apa, propenet eh
Orphanage.
yeah, Propanage, yeah. Yeah, I live there. It's quite far away from Jakarta, in Java, east of Java. Long time I live there. That's why to be a, yeah, orphanage. Thank you. If you are in the poor condition, you have extra apa? Sorry, sakit hati tuh sih. My English is very bad. Sakit hati itu apa ya namanya ya? Uh,
Heartache.
hurt feeling because everybody always hit me with the words. Words maybe make it hurt than knives. I think, yeah, that's a danger. So that's why my dream. I don't want to be poor again. My family next time when I married, when I have a kids, I don't want my kids also living at the orphanage. That's why I am very strong. My dream to be rich. That's why I learned it. Okay, now my condition is not to be rich, not rich than other people, but I still learning. During my learning, I have a I have information. They are doing for the rich people always positive thinking. Okay, they are always open mind. They are always working anytime. Because why? Because they like money, not love money. They like money. In our Bible also say you do not love money. God tell me like that. That's why they like my don't love money, but like money is okay. Okay, for some people, if you as an employee, you need money, not like money. That's why every employee working is only office hour. They don't want to extra office hour working to get more money, sometimes like that. If they don't have a bill, then they don't have a loan. If they have a loan, maybe they can do extra working to get more money. That's why they need money. But now I want to make sure everyone in this meeting like money, because I have a shortcut to get more money with very easy. But some people, this is an Indonesian journal. Uh, some people on top management, maybe on top condition, they have money. Also annoying with this journal, because what? In 2030, the cancer will be increased, and then the diabetes will be increased also. Stroke is not for all people. Stroke now coming from younger, maybe below than 40. That's why for some people with the good condition, they have maybe level in management company, and then they have own business. They have worry now. I'm also, if I am in a rich condition, I'm also worry with this, because I need to enjoy what I have to what I was doing last. I want to enjoy my experience. I love to enjoy my money, but the problem is next will be danger, because what? Because technology. Because world is changing. Everywhere we can see the cafe, restaurant. They supply anything with faster. They supply anything food with fast food, with the frozen food, and then they supply meat with hormone. They put chemical inside the food and drink. That's a very danger. That's why the cancer people will be increased. That's why the everybody like kalau apa bread, noodles, and then sugar also. That's why the diabetes will be increased also. And then now we have news when people doing vaccinate, they can get impact. They can the negative impact, which is our liver tuh apa ya teman-teman? Ada yang bisa bantu liver tuh heart ya. Liver
Kidney.
itu heart.
Kidney.
Kidney. Oh yeah, correct. Kidney. The kidney will be broken because the virus is activate by self when we get vaccinated. That's the news. I don't know. This is the true news or not. Oh, not kidney. Liver berarti liver heart. Liver is liver. Liver is liver. Yeah, sorry. The liver infected by virus. Virus from where? Virus from the vaccinate. This is I mean apa namanya? Bad news or good news, I don't know. But what I learned in the success people, the problem is a potential solution. The problem they change with opportunity. That's the success people doing that. In our condition now, no opportunity is a problem. That's the different. That's different. Why every success people become more success because the mindset. So I want to drive you into the good mindset because 2022 is the new paradigm. The world is changing. Everything is changing. So your paradigm also need to change. Need to be changed. Every opportunity is not problem anymore. But the problem you can make it as an opportunity. So we have to follow the success people. So if the condition in the world will be like that, the every sick people will be increased, never be decreased. So we can make money there if we found the solution. So that's why I have a solution. That's why I want to make people to be rich because I'm so experienced in the business. So I look this condition, I look this problem is an opportunity to make money. Okay, that's why my flyer will be open for everybody who want to extra money, at least 30 bucks. Maybe 30 bucks in other country than Indonesia is very small money. But now the condition is very, very bad after the pandemic. So if you constantly can get 30 bucks every day, daily, maybe can help because this is extra money. This is not first money. This is not first income. I don't care if you have a condition with as a businessman. I don't care if you maybe employee for part-time employee. I don't care you have own business, you have a title, you uh, have a special maybe level as a general manager, director, branch manager, anything any background, if you love to get extra money, I can help you. Okay, you don't care about the time. You still working, you still make business. I want to work for you, for all of you. How? Is it possible to get extra money with as a employee? I think impossible in other than Indonesia country, out of Indonesia country, they have a regulation. The working hour is only 8 hours, right? But in Indonesia, no limit. But the problem in Indonesian people, they don't like to work more than 8 hours. That's why our capital, our income is very lowest. Maybe in America can. Okay. Anyway, if you want to get extra money about $2,000, you have to do business. That's why I want to make condition you have to business. But some people say, oh, I don't have experience with business. Housewife. I'm only a tax employee. I'm only security. I'm only driver. Or maybe at least the condition is for business is need to skill, but I don't care it. You can learn together, okay? But for business, everybody have to be understand the business capital, the business need a skill, the business need a system. But I have to say, you don't have to worry about these three, but at least you have a capital. So you have to learn also for the business. The condition now, maybe I understand 35 years old. So you have to make a dream for early pension. 40 to 50, maybe you forgot to make it your body is healthy. You don't have consume the good nutrition, you have good sleep, rest time. So it's very danger. Okay, that's make it problem for at the end. At the end, you will be depends with the children, depends with maybe some people, depends with somebody. Okay, for business, you have to make it enjoy with time freedom. That's important. So how to now I give you three condition. I give you option for a business. Let's say for business you have a simple business. Okay, I want to make you understand how to calculate. Okay, if you doing business maybe in a food court or some, you make it a meatball shop. Okay, meatball restaurant. It's very easy to do. Yeah, because the meat is only simple things. Yeah. Okay, maybe capital is need $500 until $1,000. If you doing this, you have to calculate how many hours you need to prepare. Okay, this is the small capital, and then potential income you have to understand, because one ball maybe in Indonesia is about 15,000 rupiah, is about 10 to 12 dollars. Okay, but the net income is only $3. It's very funny. If you want to get extra money, $30, So you have to sell about 100 balls. It takes time, you know. So if you're doing that every day, maybe can, but the problem is you don't have time freedom. Okay, because the competitor is quite enough also. Very need to be considered. But this business is very easy to do it. The small capital in Indonesia, yeah, but this is an option. If you want to make extra money with bigger, so I think you have to do with a bigger business, like opening the cafe, opening the restaurant, opening the retail shop, maybe. But the capital also have to be increased, maybe 50K or 100K. Okay, you can earn more money, very easy. But still, if you don't have skill, if you don't have a system, you have to be there every day. You have to be control your employee, because some employee maybe don't have a good personalized. Some employee maybe do cheating. Okay, so at least 1 or 2 or 3 years you don't have more times. If you don't have times, your friend will be leave. That's a big problem. But now I have found the new models of the business with small capital, but this business model, the good things is time freedom. What kind of this? The franchise. You know, the McDonald, you know, the fried chicken, KFC, and then Watson. Everything open in everywhere. Okay, but they don't use the boss own money. They use anybody money as a capital if they want to be rich. They want to make business. They want to make money. So it's very zero risk. That's why if I'm doing franchise, it's very good opportunity, and it's very good for the way to make money very easy. But if you do regularly, franchise is no good, I think. You need to more capital. Everybody cannot do. But now with the networking scheme, you can get it very easy. MLM, we call it multi-level marketing. But multi-level marketing is not true help more people, because some MLM company is looking for products from everywhere, and then they have a business scheme, they have a marketing plan to some people as a sales. But now I have easy concept. I have very simple concept with the marketing plan from the some company, from the Japanese company, and then this is information about my profit, my bonus. With the small capital, one-time investment, I can earn every day and no limit. This franchise in is not every time, every year you have to be renewal. You don't have to pay to company every year. That's a good business. That's a good opportunity for all of you, because the new concept is coming. Concept is not for only for money, but help people. Okay, why I'm very convenient to make some people as a billionaire, because I'm already getting that. I'm already getting at least 3.5 years. Every day I earn the money, From where? From help people to make money. That's why I'm invite you to make money also, because I have an experience. Okay, in 11 days I earn about $7,000. $7,000 is mean 700 daily. My capital is only one time, 2018 last time. Why? Because I found the solution for problematic in this world. Everybody looking for healthy. Everybody looking for maintain the body. This company is born is 1969. Is about 53 years ago. This company is Japanese manufacturer, pharmaceutical, and this company is already go public. You can find it in Google. I can show you in the Google. You can found, you can searching on the Google as AMS HD. See, AMS HD. It's a lot of information, especially for Bloomberg. Bloomberg also detect our company is already listing on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Now the price is 754 yen. So if I can connect it this okay, if everybody need more healthy, so I can bring the solution. I can make money for that. That's okay, very easy. I just connected what is a demand, what is a source. Okay, but I don't want to make you as a sales, because I believe it. You are not a salespeople. You are don't have experience as a salespeople. But with the marketing tool, with the marketing scheme, it make it easy for us to make money. How? I can explain next. Yeah. Is it the legal company? Yes. Our company in Indonesia is almost going to 5 years. Our headquarter is in Shizuoka, and then our main office in Indonesia is in Jakarta, and then also have a branch in Surabaya, Medan, and Bali. Okay, in CNE, yeah, it means any area also have our branch company, which is all of investment is not rental. We bought the suite office tower, the suite floor, yeah. Who is the founder? The founder is Mr. Ernest and Michael Tampi, which is the two of guys is not from poor people, is rich people. They have any business, so they don't want to eat from our company. They eat from anything. They eat from any their company. Okay, so don't worry about the capital, because we work with the uh, uh, giant company, which is AFC is a giant company. They are holding company. Okay, this is the scheme. Very easy. We have a two-line business scheme, and the first thing is no obligation. So you don't have to pay anything after that. Your capital is only one time to invest. If you want to 30 extra money, you have a capital small. If you want to 2,000, your capital must be increased. That's the rules of business. You have to increase the capital if you want to earn more and earn more faster. Okay, how to do it? I don't have skill for sales. Very easy. Let's say one of you maybe who is come from outside of Indonesia. Sinta. Yeah, Mrs. Sinta. Miss Sinta maybe from outside of Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
Kanada ya. Miss Sinta Kanada ya.
Saya Indonesian campuran Australia tapi
Oh,
tinggal
oh,
di England.
Oh, England. Okay, Miss Sinta. Let's say example, Miss Sinta interested with extra money about the 30 bucks daily. Okay, you have to invest with us, make a business with us. It's only $340 one-time investment. This is, we have to understand, in our system, in our scheme, at least everybody have to be invest one time only. No need to pay anything. No need to buy anything every month, every year. No need. I don't encourage people to put the money to pay the money every time, one time only. What the benefit? A lot. Yeah, the benefit is a lot. So how to make money if the capital is only $340 only? Okay, if Miss Sinta interested and then want to invest, the first words I say to Miss Sinta, Miss Sinta, you want to money is goes back to your bank account?
Yes, of course.
Do you want your money going back to your bank account?
Yes.
Hello, Miss Sinta.
Yes, I want money back to my account, please. Bisa dengar
Okay.
nggak?
Sorry, internet connection problem. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
I
we
want.
can.
Yes, we can.
Okay. If assume Miss Sinta agree, she want to money is going back to the bank account. Okay, let's help me. We can win-win solution. Okay, what you have to do first, understand every business cannot do by self. Every business need a team. Every business need many people, because we are doing business with people, not animal, right? Not
Yeah.
ghosts. So everybody understand that. Then the first step, if you want to make business with us, there is a three kind of scope of work for everybody. First time, the first is you have to collect your contact account from your friends, from your family. Okay, listing, make a listing contact for people what you remember, maybe in your brain, maybe in your phone. You just make a list contact. The second, you have to call them in your maybe you working, maybe you do business in make your communication, okay, between all of you. And then the step 3, you have to filter it. What filter? Filter who is like money like you. How to do filter? Okay, I have a sample question, and then sample story. We're not selling. We're not doing sales for any products. No, we don't sell anything to them. We just create story, telling story. Okay, Miss Sinta, say to your friend, maybe, sis, just now I have a meeting with some people. I have a meeting with some friends. Okay, now we have a community, and then our community doing for helping more people to earn extra money. If I'm with my community can makes you an extra money at least $30 daily. Do you want to follow us or not? If they have a positive response, so you have to invite to know us. You can bring them to us. You don't have to tell anything to them. You don't have sell anything. Okay, if you want really to interested, the next 2 days we can make a appointment meeting with our community. Is it very simple, right? Only like that. But if you have a standard communicate with some people offline, if you have a base camp, maybe you can invite them to meet up. You have to create a base camp. You have maybe one time or 2 times a week to make it to apa kumpul-kumpul tuh
Gathering,
table talk.
table talk.
Yeah, you can create table talk maybe 2 times a week with the with the uh, with the maybe you have to two condition: office hour and after office hour, or maybe weekend. So any people don't have time, easy to switch. Okay, you bring them. So how to explain? You can find your team. You can find upline. You can find your partner business to explain the schema, to explain this strategic. You don't have to explain. You have to use us. We have to triangle strategic. You, your prospect, and us as your team. So let us to explain the strategic. Okay, let's say Miss Sinta invite 5 people to the next Zoom meeting who likes the money like you. Okay, let's say you have 1 people interested. If 1 people interested, and then the 1 people say, okay, I want to invest that. I want to try, because $340 is not so a big money for us. Okay, when A, maybe the green people interested, so the next day Sinta will earn $30. The next day. Why? Because we eat every day. We don't eat every month, right? So Sinta will be earn 30 bucks. Okay. So the next, if
So.
So because small money, right?
Yes.
Because small money. Okay, for the small money, and then if I ask to Miss Sinta, could you please invite your another 5 people for to know me? Is it possible for you?
Yes.
Yes, because you understand how to flow the money comes, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's example you invite another 5 people and then one people is interested. Okay, one people is interested, so you can earn another 30 bucks. Our business is 2 lines. When 2 lines, you can get pair. It's about 15. Every pair is 15. Very simple. So if you have 2 friends, you can get 75 bucks. 75 bucks. You're not working every day like your employee, like your business. You just utilize your free time to call them and invite them to know us. This is very 3-step, simple step. That's why housewife can do. That's why maybe in Indonesia is very lowest condition. We have a parking service guide, parking service guard. In America, don't have. But the therapists have. Also, therapists can do. Also, maybe security guard can do. Driver can do. So we can help the middle to low people to make it more money, extra money. Okay, this is still you have to work every time. You don't have free time. But in our 2 line scheme, we can avoid the green team and the yellow team. Okay, if you want to money back to your bank account, you can do like me. Do as a 3 steps. Invite your friends. Okay, when the green people invite, maybe uh, put in the internal in the right side. Okay, the green people put in the right side, so the green people earning 30 also. But maybe Miss Sinta also have another friends. Friends put in the blue, in the cyan, get 30. The green one can earn 15. Because what? Because pairing. Because have a help from Miss Sinta. Because we have 2 lines only. If you have more teams, you cannot put in. You can put in the deep one. Yeah. Okay. So if the yellow one also have a friends, so they invite the friends to us and then invite to our Zoom meeting, invite to our table talks, so we can help. We can explain to them. So if a yellow team also coming, we can see the yellow will be earned the next day is 30. Okay, and then getting pairing also 15. This is the good condition. Even Miss Sinta is not work doing exercise. Maybe Miss Sinta doing vacation because the blue one coming with yellow, the system will be automatically pairing it. Miss Sinta can get 15 every pair. This is the fast track to get money. You don't have work every time. You can find your hobbies. You can still working. You can still business. But in this schema, we work together. The first people coming only working for 3 steps. Very easy. Invite their team, invite their college, invite their family, invite to what? Invite to know us. Let us to explain. We have an opportunity. We have a solution. Maybe for the healthy solution. Maybe for the financial solution. Okay, this condition is for small money. If you want to big money, you have to increase your capital. And then the bonus is also different. In some city in Indonesia, they have a buying level is very big than Jakarta. So we explain for big money also. If people want to do maybe 2,000, maybe 2,000. Okay. Oh, sorry. Maybe 2,000 daily. 2,000 daily, you have to invest about I think $3,000. You have to spend capital $3,000 one time only in your life. You have to remember, our business is not pay every time. Our business is only one-time investment. But this investment is not like invest with the money game, not like invest in a bank. You just sleep, you just sit down, and then the money will come. No. We make a business. We have a partnership. That's why I'm looking for partner. I'm not looking for buyers. I'm not looking for investor. But if you want to do business with us, still you have to investment as a capital, right? But the work is very easy. You just doing 3 steps. Collect your contact for your friends, make it listing, and then the second job is call them. The third job is filtering who's on your friend like money like you. Maybe you can say very simple words. Okay, if people getting investment with bigger, so maybe the green line coming, you can earn not 30 but 330. The yellow one coming, you can earn 330. And then pairing, you can earn. So every 2 friends coming, you can earn 900. Every 2 friends. 4 friends, about 1,800. 6 friends, it's about 2,700. It's close to the break even, right? Very easy to understand. Very easy for housewife, very easy for pension people, very easy for lower economic people to understand. You don't need to explain our details marketing plan. When they are as a team, so they will learning by self. Very easy. No need to tell everything very complete, very details. No need, because much people doesn't want to learn. Okay, we have a simple strategic only, two-line business. So you want to follow us or not? Okay, this is a very simple, but your capital is not lost. Don't worry. Because what? Because we have a simple system. When you just make a partner with us, you get franchise right forever. Okay, and then I say again, no obligation. You get support system. If you don't understand, you can call me. If you invite some people, you just put into our Zoom meeting, put into our education system, put on your table talk offline. So every new people no need to learn very hard. Okay, and then you get superfood products from our manufacturer. That's a very interesting. Okay, and then the next, you can earn daily money, monthly money, yearly money for extra, and also overseas vacation free. This is the benefit if you make business with us. Okay, what the product? The product is Utsukushi. This is the first product will be sent to you. Utsukushi is manufactured by AFC Japan, original from Japan. Utsukushi is a salmon mild DNA, which is we have extract the protein, some amino, also in the peptide, yeah. And then the granulation is about 800 Dalton. So that's why the products can easy to consume. You just put the powder into the your tongue, and then you just eat it. Very simple. Yeah. This product is a mild DNA, is good for skin, but we have combined with another 11 other active ingredients. But the very interesting ingredients inside them, inside this product, is a probiotic, like a Bifidobacterium longum, and then actic lactic bacteria. This is the two of bacteria the best in the world. If you are coming from the medical expert, you understand the FK23. FK23 is very good bacteria coming from Japan. For what? For this. If you see the background, okay, if you see the video, there is a two condition of colon. In the left is a normal colon, in the right is our condition, because we eat everything. If you have a hypertension, if you have a diabetics, if you have a heart attacks condition, you have to eat everyday medicine. So the chemical is cannot goes out from your body by self. It could be stored in the colon. That's a big problem. So that's why when the condition like that, your metabolism is will be impact. Your condition for the immunity system will be going down. Your condition body will be fat very fast to grow. That's a big problem as a colon. Okay, how to clean up? Easy. Some hospital can give service for flush colon, but it's hard and expensive, and also danger, because if your colon is no good, the colon will be broke up, and then you can die. So our products Utsukushi have 1 million of probiotics. The probiotics can clean up rest of chemical inside of our colon. So if the colon is clean, our body, our metabolism will be come back again normal, and then our body can have an anti-tumor agent by itself. Our body can activate the immunity because the white blood will be getting nutrition from this product. Okay, and then the news about the journal about the hepatitis as a liver getting infected by virus also can help because our white blood getting nutrition, our colon is clean, and this condition is already passed from the clinical study, and then passed from the testing about 7 to 10 years, and 100% people claim the result they have it. So that's why this product ingredients is have a patent function. So that's why a lot of doctor is make it business together with us. Okay. The second product you can get is SOP Subarasi. SOP Subarasi is salmon ovary peptide. Again, we have a technology is a peptide. Yeah, peptide because what? Because if any product have a peptide, can easy to distribute to our body. Okay, the Subarasi is what? Subarasi from the ingredients marine placenta. Marine placenta is coming from the skin of ovarium. The skin ovarium in the salmon Oncorhynchus fish is coming from Hokkaido. This fish is only from Hokkaido. Yeah, and then we also get the peptide from fish sardine peptide from the sardine fish. The third is come from England, from Sinta country. This is fruit flow. We call fruit flow. The skin of tomato seed. This is the new apa penemuan tuh apa ya? The new
Invention.
invention.
Discovery.
Not discovery. Invention maybe. Invention from the professor from England. This is good, very good. The fruit flow is replaced for medicine for hypertension, pengencer darah, like apa namanya, obat pengencer darah tuh yang umum aspirin. In Europe they are replaced the aspirin because aspirin can get a negative impact for make it the blood skin is very thin. That's a danger. That's why everybody eat the aspirin for the longer time can be stroke. Okay. This product for what? For this condition. Some people suddenly dead. Long time ago, the old people can do it, can get this condition. But now the younger people also can get. Because what? Because the lifestyle. See, about the 25th, 30 years, maybe below than 40 years. Suddenly can dead. This is the big problem, blood vessel issue. Okay. This SOP Subarasi will be as a nutrition for our stem cell. This peptide can trigger our stem cell. Stem cell is come from the gut to help us until we have life is longer. Okay, what the job of the stem cell? If people is already teenager, upper than 18, after 18, the stem cell is sleeping. Okay, but now if we trigger with the nutrition, high nutrition, the stem cell can be working again. Work for what? Work for replace any bed of cells, maybe because of uh, the oldest, maybe for lifestyle, maybe because of virus or something else. So if the cells going die, the stem cell will be replaced after getting the nutrition. So if you don't have eat for good nutrition, so you don't have to replacement cells because every day our cells will be going die. Any condition. Okay, so when you consume this product continuously for the long time, so you will be get the cell regeneration effect, and then your blood circulation will be improved. For diabetic peoples, maybe the blood circulation is not good anymore. The blood vessel will be very thin, then risky to broken, and then risky to getting stroke. Okay, and then our body have an anti-hypertensive agent, which is if we hypertension condition, the agent will be working to normalize, to stabilize the the blood condition, and then you can get prevent blood clotting. So the thrombocyte will be separate. They are not make it clot. Okay, this product also oh, sorry. This product is comply with the EFSA. EFSA is FDA for Europe. Okay, thank you. Another products. This is additional products. Additional product you can get, but your investment is need to be $350. Okay, this is the regenerating serum. If you know, maybe SK2 in Asia is very quite popular. This is the premium product for SK2, and then Shiseido, maybe from Dior, also have the regenerating serum. But you have to know some the manufacturer also come from the AFC, because our company is a OEM manufacturer. We supply to any other countries because we have 40,000 products to develop for any countries. Okay, but now we have a special delivery from Japan for us. We have a regenerating serum with 3 kinds of premium ingredients, which is the premium ingredients. We have a pattern function also, can help to dark pore improving agent, and then histamine release inhibition, melanin products production inhibition, also suppression of histamine release, so you can make it your skin will be glowing, will be improve the condition, especially for 50 up. Okay, and then can help the hair restoration. I have proven also. I am using that. I'm using this product also. My hair also can have another hair, the small one. Yeah, this is the 100% made in Japan, also from us. And then one of the premium products have a Nobel Prize winner. This is a good. Okay, you can use it free. This is a sum of testimonial if people consume our products. For the cancer, the tongue cancer also can help. The breast cancer also can help. Yeah, this is the breast cancer. Make it better. We are not help for sembuhkan apa ya teman-teman ya? Ada yang tahu nggak?
Cure,
Menyembuhkan.
cure.
Yeah, we are not cure for any kind of sickness. We are not cure for any sickness, because cure is a God responsible. Okay, but if you consume this nutrition daily, if you taken this nutrition daily, you can help. At least the rest of your age will be more quality, will be better. That's only our claim. Okay, so the diabetics also can help. If the doctor say this man have to do for amputation, the doctor skill must be amputation. But in our condition, these people consume our product, and then the condition is much better. So based on this testimonial, we can help another people. We can help all people. Okay. For the people want to younger also can, because if you are replacement get from the cells replacement every day, so it's about this polish is have a vitiligo for 5 years. After consume our product, the vitiligo will be getting better, and then the confidence level is come back again. So his policies can help more people also. Can do for the police job again. The hair also come back again with the black one. Okay, this is also can help. Apa ya, botak tuh. Ya. Yeah, belt. This is me. You can see maybe the left one, my age is 32. The right one, my age is 45. This is the 13 years different picture. But you can see my face is better than fresh than 30 years ago. Because what? Reverse aging. After I consume this product daily, my blood vessel condition is getting better, and then the money coming every day, not loan every day. Yeah, that's condition because that. Yeah, safety, yes, of course, because we have lab tested. no antibiotics, no pesticida, no logam, no chemical, hormone, and then also for Muslim people is halal, FDA Indonesia, which is BPOM, so we can consume is very very good. Okay, and also our product is registered on NIMS. This is the reference guide for any medical expertise. Okay, and then special for Indonesia, we have an association for direct selling system. We are already registered. Okay, and then your income is 80% can withdraw to your bank account. You can pay for loan. You can use for therapy, maybe going to the doctor, going to a hospital, or maybe you can pay for living costs. You can invest. You can buy another car. You can buy another house. Everything can do with 80% of your income. 20% you have to change with product. You have to consume this product. Is it free? Only for investment 2018, but until now I consume this product every day. It's free. This is the condition I share to you. When you become our partner, you can access to our website back office. Okay, this is the back office. You can open with the browser, or you can install the application. The application you can find in the Google Play or Play Store. The name is AFC Connect. This is the news. That's why I don't make it you as a salespeople. If I'm looking for the salespeople, I'm not looking for you. Better, I'm looking for the fresh graduate from the business university. But now I want to help people if people want to transform condition from the bad condition to be good condition, from the unhealthy to be healthy, from the bad financial become good financial. I want to help them. Okay, I am not make it people to be as a salespeople. This news also introduce prohibited from selling under the official price. Also selling in the online platform with the payment gateway system, then we prohibited. So that's why I'm not selling this product, because company only have a one price. You are a member or not a member, you can buy this product with the single price. You can find this product in anywhere, not from us also. Everybody sell this product. But if you follow us, I can work for you. I can make it your every day getting money. You have being our partner. If you have being our partner, if you are as a partner, you just doing 3 steps. Okay, I repeat it. First time, you can listing your friends and then call them and then filter it and invite them to know us. I will help you. We explain the strategy to explain the opportunity to them. Okay, so don't sell this product. If you get this product, you just consume, or you can donate to maybe another people need this product. Okay, when you log into the system, you can see this dashboard. Okay, when you see the dashboard, you can see the blue one is 80% profit will come to the blue dashboard. You can withdraw anytime. It's about 2 or 3 days, two or three working days. For the international, I'm not sure. Maybe same lah. But the cost will be charged to you. Okay. The 20% is here. You can claim the products. If you see, my redemption point is about $182,000. Still there. I can claim every month. I just pay only one time. That's the goods for investment for healthy. I think I can healthy for free. From where? See, 2018. I pay one time only, and then no more pay. That's why I encourage to team. This business is very cheap, about $340 until $3,000. It's only one time. Don't pay any time. Okay, remember it. Okay, come back again. And then you can earn also yearly extra income. If you have 100 teams left, 100 teams right, you can earn about $500. If you have 500 pairs, you can earn $2,500 as a Ronin. If you have 1,000 pairs, you can earn about 7,500 as a samurai. If 500 pairs, you can earn about 57,500 as a shogun. Okay. If you 15,000 pairs, you can earn about $180,000. If you 30,000 pairs, you can earn about $350,000 as a Bushido. And the good things, this bonus is every year. You can earn every year. The closing time is 25th September. That's a good the good points. So if you want to be rich, if you want to earn maybe $1 billion money, you don't have to work by yourself. You don't have to work every year. You don't have to work maybe 20 years, 30 years. I'm doing business with this scheme is only 3 years. I have already make it about $20 billion. $20 billion. I can show you. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is report the interesting business because the business is daily income. I show you. This is the May 2020, right? Hopefully you can see. Okay, May now is 28. Another few hours in Indonesia become a 29 May. So my bonus is only from the pairing because I'm not work for myself anymore. I work for team. I help team to make money. Okay, when the team make money, I'm also getting money. It's automatically. That's the simple scheme. Okay, so yesterday I earned about $819. This is daily. So my gross bonus for the 28 days is about $21,800. So if you are employee, how long? If you are a businessman, how big your capital must be investing to get the net profit like this, to get profit. Okay, this is almost 1 month, $20,000. Okay, how about yearly? Hold on. Can see the yearly bonus. 2020, 2020, almost 5 months. The gross bonus is about 100,000, $148,000. It's a huge money, right? If you work as an employee, how long to work it, and which level for the management level? If you are in the management level, you have to pay for the time also. If you in the management level, you don't have more times. You have to pay the times. Okay. 2021. This is still pandemics, right? The 12 months, I'm still can get the gross bonus about $598,000. This is plus Bushido. Total, it's about $900,000 1 year. So the 3 years you can earn about 20 billion. Okay, that's why I'm very confident to make it you get extra money, because I have already learned, I have already experienced that with this scheme. Very easy to make it people earn money. Just work together, don't work by self, because the world is changing. No need to work as individualized. Okay, so this is optional for you. I don't want to push you. Maybe you interested for now or not, but at least think about the product can help you and can help maybe your family, your friends also. The money also can help you or not. I don't understand. You have to know it. You have to decide. Maybe 5 years ago, 10 years ago, what do you have it? What do you want to get? Okay, this video maybe can open your paradigm, can open your mind. When you're getting out,
What will your
what do
last
you
10
think?
years look like? Will you be quick enough for a game of tag with your grandchild? Strong enough to embrace every moment?
Sometimes old people cannot drink milk.
Will you
Maybe
grow
only
old with
6 million
vitality
and 600 milliliters.
or get old with disease?
You can tie the
It's time to decide. The average Canadian will spend their last 10 years in sickness. Change your future at makehealthlast.ca.
Yeah, at least this video can help you to decide you want to take the opportunity this for or not, or not. Okay, and then the good news, if you bring 16 people, your friends becomes your partner, you can eligible to earn this holiday, free holiday vacation to another country. We have a trip for Europe, yeah, Western Europe. And then if you achieve for half, you can still going to Phuket also. How to do it? How to achieve? You can come back again with your inviters. You can collaborate it with them. Okay, so this is another another private promotion for CNE and teams. Okay, for CNE teams, any teams will be earned for 3 nights, 4 days, living at Apurva Kempinski, Bali, which is this is the most popular hotels. This is apa ya, lagi viral, viral to live in Kempinski, Bali. This is the expensive hotels. And then two person will be the winners. Okay, you can find until 31 May. Only people join from 1 March of the first March on 22 until 31 May 22, not 21. This is supposed to be 22. Okay, only diamond. What is diamond? You can invest about 12 bucks. It's about $2,040. Okay, so you can eligible to win because this is apa undian tuh apa sih teman-teman, challenge ya. Okay, so my presentation is that. So anybody want to ask me or maybe have a question, so please don't hesitate to ask anything. Sorry for my bad English. Hopefully you can understand what I mean. If you don't understand, so don't worry. You just trust, believe it in us, so we can work together. I can bring you as a rich people also, because I have earned that money. Okay, thank you very much. So I
Thank
send
you,
back to MC.
Koyones.
Yes, thank you, Coco.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Ada
you.
pertanyaan?
Good night.
Okay, anyone want to ask Koyones?
Hello Kiki, happy birthday Kiki.
Thank you so much, Coco.
Wish
No,
you all the
Kiki, my name
best.
is Fitri.
Oh,
No,
Fitri,
Fitri,
sorry,
Fitri.
not Kiki. Fitri, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much, Coco.
Okay.
Okay, guys, any question? Ko Yohanes? Oh, no one to ask. Oh, Ko,
No one to
maybe
ask.
some of them.
Everything,
Some of
everybody
them
is already
asked,
understand.
they asked for the presentation from you.
Pardon?
Presentasi Koko mereka minta.
The file.
Yeah, the file. They asked
Oh,
for the
okay.
file.
Okay. Where to bring? Where to send? Okay, I will send to the groups.
Okay. Any news for the group?
Hopefully, for the leaders which have a good explanation for English, maybe can try to bring the presentation. The scheme is very easy. The strategy is very easy. Not special. Not special strategic. But some people still blocking the simple strategy. They are looking for difficult strategic.
Okay, okay. Jenny, are you there?
Hello.
See any?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any news?
Okay. So, wow. How do you all like our? Give a big clap for our mentor.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank
A
you.
new way. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Way. Yes. So it's a simple way how you actually like I see Grace. Maybe like the international ones, like I mean, to give feedback. I mean, after listening, the is it? Do you have any feedback, Grace? Grace, Aminta. Is it simple? There you go. Maybe put Aminta. Aminta might want to give congratulations to Aminta. Amazing. She joined our company when I was still in America. Amazing. She started with Triple Diamond, and now she's in the process of going to be a mobile stockist. So Aminta, yeah, that's okay. Maybe Aminta wants to give testimony then.
Yes, welcome, Aminta.
There you go, Aminta. Yes. Yeah, go live and share how when you listen from our mentor. Go ahead, Aminta.
Yes, this is a very good presentation. I've been talking to my coworkers. My aunt had vertigo, and within 30 minutes, she noticed that the vertigo was gone. So she's been taking it now for maybe less than a month. She has diabetes, and she was having a hard time moving around. So, and it's just that the good thing, sometimes we have to hear other people's perspectives. So our little antennas will go up, and we can be motivated into doing, telling people and inviting them into healthy living and getting getting money and investing in ourselves.
That's right.
Mhm.
All right.
But
So,
I'm in. Yes.
Okay, cool. So how about Grace? Grace, introduce yourself. Grace is also another one, Triple Diamond.
Wow.
Grace from Canada. Wow, give your
Welcome.
testimony.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Grace.
Hi, Grace.
Hi. And this is my first time joining the Zoom meeting. And thank you, Annie, give me this wonderful opportunity. Yeah, I just buy the product yesterday, 2 packages in the morning and 2 packages in the evening before I went to bed, as instructed by Annie. And I have this really sore arm on my right side and before. And when I got up in the morning, I felt like quite a bit of improvement, like not 100%, totally gone, but like the soreness like at least 80% or 90%. So I was like, wow, this stuff is really powerful. So So I'm very pleased with the result, and yeah, I plan to continue to consume and see more good result. And my dad is also taking it, and he has arthritis and other like aging related problems because he's like very old. So yeah, so I'm very excited. I want to know more about like how the business work, and I really want to share with people, bless other people, and get into the family of AFC.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Thank you,
So,
Grace.
thank you, Annie.
Yeah. Ko Johannes, maybe next, they want to do know how the business work. That means, ini loh Ko, input and also like, the pairing system. Maybe we can explain to them the next session, next training.
Koyo, where are you?
Johannes?
Koyones.
Okay, guys, Ko Johannes, we're gonna request Ko Johannes to do like the training to input, how to input your order, and also how to look at like how the pairing system works, how the bonus system works, the explanation, how to go deep down and stuff like that, right? So thank you guys. I heard that in Indonesia right now is almost 11 p.m. Amazing, right? So the key is to share to more people. Yeah, the more people you share to, there's a number. Who wants to make $10,000 a month?
Yes.
If you want to make $10,000 a month, right? Okay, then you need to share, like we were taught 60 people, 30 deep down left and right, because this is binary. Let's go, guys. So the key is like the next sharing we have, invite more people, right? The more people you help, the more successful you are. Now this is it, guys. Let's do it. Like keep bringing more. You need to look at your direct sponsor. How many people have you been sponsoring? Like for me, I look at it right now. I think I already like sponsor almost 140 people. Wow, what an improvement, right? Because especially the last few months, I think I've been sponsoring like 20 people, right? The more new people, new blood you help, the better it is, because you have new excitement. Okay. Now, Shinta Waters, you want to say anything? Yes, new partner.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Shinta.
It's good for today. It's 3 p.m., not 3 a.m. 3 afternoon.
Change, right?
So thank you. Yes, thank you so much. It's we take the product for granted, really, really for granted. I'm remembering how I was feeling. I came to church today, and we had like a prayer of healing, etc. And then I was remembering 6 months ago how I was feeling so sick, how I could not even feel good, how I could not even sleep. You know what? This product is not just good for our body, but it's good for our future. And
Amen.
yes, I have to be like, thank you for Ko Johannes. I'm a little bit shy sometimes, like I'm a little bit like, I don't know what to do. But today, what I got from you is we need to work together as a team. I got a good result in the products.
Correct.
But I cannot be a secret agent. I have to share the good news. The good news, we have to share it. We have to share to people. Actually, today at church, somebody gave me, she was sharing, her name is Chantel. She said, God told her to write a website to tell her miracle journey. She was sick on something else. It was like a reminder for me. You know what, Shinta, you have to share your good news. How many people need this miracle help? So it was like a reminder. And today, thank you, Ko Johannes, and thank you for everybody else that's sharing. I have to share this good news. How many people need to be helped like me? I couldn't sleep. I was like really, really sick. But I have to share. I have to tell people. I cannot just shut my mouth and not share. So for me, this is a reminder. The more people you share, the more people will be blessed. And the more people blessed, I'm also blessed. Like what Ko
Yes.
Johannes said,
Amen.
you know, our job is helping people. By helping people, we also get help. So thank you. Today, I'm really, really blessed. You know, like I just listened to Sister Annie and Ko Johannes now. You're all my mentors. Thank you so much. And, you know, it's like, don't be shy. That's what I got today. I got my products, the triple diamond, keeps having it, and my new products arrive in England because I cannot stop taking it. When I stop, I don't get better. I still have a little bit more healing to go. But you know what? If you see me 6 months ago, big problem. So you know what, guys? Let's share it to people. Shinta, don't be shy. People, don't be shy. This is good news, good product. We're going to do this. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
You know, so
Okay.
make a commitment. Like how many people do you want to help in a day? Not just share. You know, it's not about people joining you or buying the products. No, you just share the good news. Share the good news. Like, you know, sooner or later it will spread all over the world. Thank you so much, guys. So the next event, remember, every month we're gonna have. It's gonna be June soon now, guys. We need more people to be more involved. So let's go. How about Tuesday? We're going to announce, we'll have evaluation, Zoom meeting, and then, you know, we'll set up for next event, and then, you know, appoint more people to be speakers. Love you guys. Keep
Okay,
going.
thank you all.
Bye-bye. Good
Bye-bye.
night. Share this
Okay,
the
bye.
recording. Thank you, Ko Johannes.
Thank you, Koyanes.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
Thank you
Okay,
all.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. God bless all.
God bless. Bye-bye.